Did I lose everything? I have one question. We have one question this morning. Where's Pablo? And this song might be too much. Whew. That's a little too much there, Jesus. That's a little too much buildup. That's a little too much buildup for the morning here. What about this one? I don't know if I'm feeling that. I just don't know if I'm feeling that. I don't know if I'm feeling that. Okay, let's try to live this. This is another live station. What did he say? No, this kind of just took the wind out of us. This fucking... We just gotta go back to Old Faithful. Where's Pablo? Boy, it sure would suck if it stopped here. We'll do some. Listen, I'm a little rusty right now. I haven't had my coffee yet. I think I ordered breakfast. We got coffee and breakfast on the way. Coffee and breakfast is on the way. And once we get our juices flowing, we'll take a look. Man, we are so close. We are 150 grand away from crossing the $1 million finish line. Did I close the short from 2780? Yes, that is obviously gone. We had to cut that one. My coffee's ready. I'll be right back. Okay. Check 1 2. Mic test. Mic check. 1 2 3. All right. Why did I close the short? Because I didn't want to hold that into, you know, I'd rather just take the 20K loss. Let's talk about it. First off, in the immediate short term, looking at this hourly here, you know, first off, this is what was appearing. We were looking at this foreman yesterday or today or last night. And if you've been around town on this channel in Market Cipher, in at least, you know, confirmed bear trends, you know, when money flow comes down to the zero line or below, and we have just a classic trigger, right? Your anchor wave, trigger wave, and now we have even a smaller one. We just boop, 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 boop. And so there is some hope. There's some hope here. There's some hope here as far as like an actual target for this trade. To be honest, I'd be happy if it actually, because I don't trust this pattern. Actually, I don't really trust this pattern that it's in. I've been trying to pick at my own brain. I've been trying to remember what this pattern does and like what I've seen it do before. Part of me feels like it maybe comes up. It maybe comes up a little short of like the previous goalpost, then comes back down to here or something. I don't know. I don't remember. I'd have to actually go back and look, which I haven't done. Maybe some of you recall. Wasn't it 10K loss yesterday? No, it ended up being, I think, about 20. I don't remember the exact number. I think it was around 20. Now it's been a little battle and been a little wrestle. And so I can understand people flopping and groping right now, talking about they want me to close right now. But folks, we have what about this big round-headed head and shoulders? Don't you guys think that Don't you guys think that we can go up here or up here if you do your little measuring stick on the head and shoulders? It's hard to trust head and shoulders, that's for damn sure, especially when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin. And, you know, this is kind of slow moving. It's slow moving, and I understand the flopping and groping right now. But I want to see kind of how this plays out. You know, the truth is I could have 5 trades right now, net me $0, make me $0. My next 5 streams, my next 5 trades could lead to a 10K loss, a 10K profit, a 10K loss, a 10K profit, a 10K loss, a 10K profit, and I'm still at $850, however, $1,000. Go to old Edward Jones. Let me know what they're getting you on your returns every year. They're happy if you get 5% a year. We got breakfast on the way. Your 401k is down 16%. It sucks. Yeah, it's actually not that bad. Daily switched. We have a very, that's another thing I want to talk about, was the tightness of the momentum wave. And what I'm keeping my eye on is if it's gonna be a little fight and continue down, or if this is potentially a tight ass momentum wave leading to grander, bigger things. So if we go to the four-hour for example, they're gonna fight. They fighting right here. On the 3-hour, it turned red, and then there was a slight pickup in the money flow, but it could just be a lower high. What am I at right now? 28,000, 860,000. We're all in on this trade right now. We're all in. Certainly have my eyes peeled. On these lower time frames and the news and everything else. and it's going to zig and zag, as it always does. And I was considering taking some profits up here. I was starting firing up the stream kind of during this time, making the thumbnail and stuff. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Nice little there's a nice little momentum increase that was on the 10-minute. What's my entry here? 29.74. So it's tight. We're running tight. Not a bad little entry. I don't know, man. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. Listen, it's the business we're in. Nobody knows. We just gotta sit here and wait and keep switching time frames, hoping we find a little answer. Money flow coming back down here, taking a little breather. We are 100% wishing and hoping this money flow comes back up for another beautiful curvature for liftoff. What the fuck? Did I order? No, I ordered my food from the wrong place. A farther away place, son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Man, I hate it when that happens. Oh, my food, my shit's gonna be cold when it gets here. And there's that much more of a chance for the guy to... I don't even want to think about... I don't want men having my food in their car left alone with these sick people. These people are sick. Check the Dixie. Great idea. Oh my god, dude, that was funny. He said microwave dog dudes just ripping heavy ass into your pancakes and eggs hot boxing. Fuck, man. Fuck. I know. That's why I'm up. That's why I'm mad. That's why when I order food, I try to order it right around the block. Not 15 minutes away. This guy looks like a fucking... Oh. But most places now, they do a pretty good job at sealing up your food. Most. Nothing to see here on the Dixie. There's nothing here that's gonna. There's nothing for me to see here. Nothing for me to see here on the Dixie, baby. We're looking at Bitcoin, baby. The 12 hour on Ethereum. A fighting little VWAP, outward, inward, S curve, going through the same thing here. This money flow is very thick. It is very thick, and man, this can't be the end. And I'm able to say that with more confidence now that the prices come up $30 from 2 minutes ago. I'm feeling much better. I tell you what, I'm loving seeing the green candles. We feel great when it's the green candles. We're nervous when it's red candles. And it's okay. It's just a natural feeling. If you talk to a go talk to a Navy SEAL, and go talk to a Delta Special Forces Green Beret who's in the shit in Afghanistan, getting skinnies with RPGs coming down on him. He's scared. He's brave, but he does not have. It's not that they have no emotion. Let's do some calculations. This guy's taking forever to get here. That sucks. So if we did magically get to 21.4, that would be pretty much 2% on the dot. We are in a 4130927 $1 million trade times 0.02 would be 82,000. So I guess that's as good as it's probably gonna get, unless we get really lucky. Man, that would be, man, it would just be great just to crack this, just crack 140,000 out and just get over that $1 million finish line. We would need 3.5%. Which would put us at 21.7. If I get all my shit working here. 21.7. We wicked to almost prior. Almost. Man, if we could just get one quick candle to come up here, I promise. Well, I don't promise anything, but if I got out up here, it would be official. The 100,000 trade challenge to $1 million would be complete. Little early for pizza? No, actually, no. I had a slice of cold pizza to hold myself over till breakfast gets here. We'll probably get it at 21.4. I don't even know. We don't even know if it's gonna get there. We don't even know if it's gonna get there. But we're just gonna enjoy the moments while the candles are green. And not worry about the candles that are red. And that's what Billy said. I'm some rando on the internet for you, but because of you, my dad no longer has to wake up at 2 a.m. to go to work. My life has completely changed. Listen, up and down, man. I hope you're telling the truth, bro. I hope you're not just making up a story. I mean, I hope you're telling the truth. If so, that's badass. I hope you're not lying to me. You know, when people, and you know, I hear a lot of the good stories, the good success stories, and I'm always like, are you know, I hope you're telling the truth. What happened, bro? How? Did you come up on a big trade? Are you trading, or are you a successful trader? Are you a profitable trader now? Is that what you're saying? I want to know, can you give me a short paragraph how and why that your father doesn't have to get up at 2 a.m. anymore to go to work? And if you already typed it into the testimonials, let me know. If you haven't, man, if you want to pay me back, that's how you do it. I'm a rando too, mostly losing money, but super happy to be here. Are you telling the truth there, Al? Are you sure, Al? I hope you're telling the truth. I mean, not telling the truth, Al. What did BitBoy, I forgot to add, did BitBoy reply to you? Whoever the guy said, he asked BitBoy if I could narrate his book. Did he reply? Right on. You know, I've been in that corporate America.
In the dark life,
Right on.
Run slowly in the dark light.
What do I think of the overall market? Thanks, Film Shot. All donations go to charity. What do I think of the overall market? BC and all the alts. I know the basic is the information, right? I don't have an answer to your question. I don't think anything, you know. I think a lot of bullshit. My value is in the transactional use case of cryptocurrency. But listen, I'm just along for the ride just like you guys. Man, he hasn't heard me read before then. He hasn't heard our Wells Fargo quarterly report. I guarantee you, well, I mean, if he should be narrating it himself. He wasn't sure I could read. That hurts my feelings. I'm gonna stop the stream now. You guys can go to BitBoy and blame him. Goodbye. I'm just kidding. No, I know I'm a great reader. Most people are so they're boring when they read, you know. I know how to read good.
Run slowly in the dark light. Run slowly in the dark light. Run slowly in the dark light.
Oh, yeah, okay, here comes my food.
In the dark light.
Hope this guy didn't jerk off in my fucking sandwiches. I'll be right back. Alrighty. He was actually seemed like a nice, looked younger and seemed like a nice gentleman, so I think there's a 97% chance I do not have jack off in my food. It is cold though, but that's alright. Wow, I need to heat this up. What the fuck? All right, I'm back here. It's going good, bro, so far. How's it going with you? Yeah. Ooh. What happened to my short? What short, bro? We were never in any shorts. What are you, delusional? Hey, listen, flying duck. I don't get, there's plenty, I'm not perfect. You get Market Cipher at marketciphertrading.com. In the description. This is a egg, bacon, cheese, bagel sandwich. Market Cypher's on sale right now. Did I use the reversal function to switch from short to long? No, but I do want to. Next time. I'm gonna use that damn button one of these times. Bro, how do you know this? How do you know this jam is Dutch, bro? Are you telling me just by the tone of your ear, you can tell this is some Deutschland fucking underground shit? How do you know it's not Polish, bro? Or Swiss? How do you know it's not Swiss? The accent of the drums. The way that you would bobble your head back and forth with an Adam's apple neck, a little circled neck, moving your head slightly left to right, but also forward to back. Ugh. Oh, well, I guess, yeah, if you know the song, if you Shazam the song, you know who it is. I guess that makes sense. Let's go, baby. 21-2. We're back to the top, baby. Come on. Starting to feel this cappuccino hitting me, baby. Let's go. We got breakfast and a cappuccino. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, man, that's good, though. That's good shit. Oh. Ooh, boy, I needed that. I need that. folks. It's been a while since we slapped down a $4 million trade. Ugh. Stop loss. Things are a little different around here, brother. Stop loss would more often than not hurt me in this type of a trade. Would you like to know why? Two reasons why. Number one, when you're in a leverage trade, you know, there's much less room for a stop loss. Number two, when you're a KOL like me, a key opinion leader, an influencer in the space, a famous, sought-after person. If I put a stop loss on the books, every motherfucker in the jungle is gonna be trying to fuck me. And I just don't roll like that. Now I'm sitting here and, you know, I have a good internet connection, kind of. Multiple ways to access. If my internet goes down, I have backup plans. And if I have to leave, or if I'm going to be gone for half a day, then, you know, then we can talk about potential stop losses. But I ain't showing my ass. I'm confident in my trades. People, you know, stop losses are for traders that just trade off a fart in the wind, a fucking pattern without any real data, without any confidence. And I'm not saying if you use stop losses, you should. You do want to protect yourself, but I don't know. There's a method to the madness, man. It's not people. It's institutions. And by institutions, I just mean market makers. And, yeah, man. Billy, are you in a trade? I know Billy's long. Billy, are you long? I missed you too, bro. I missed you too. Do normal traders have the power to influence? I mean, I guess if a bunch of them banded together. But listen, one guy, for lack of a better term, I would fear one person like myself, an evil crypto face twin out there, than a bunch of retail traders. Because a crypto face evil clone can manipulate the market, he would have the power to do so. And it's pretty simple. We've done it here live before. Many people here haven't been around this channel. This channel's been around for 7-8 years. It was what, only 2-3 years ago? Ah, never mind. We don't need to talk about it. But if you want to see your boy Crypto Face throwing his weight around, dumping the price of Bitcoin 13%, and then dumping it another 7% 2 hours later just to make sure that it was us, you can go find the video on my channel. And that's why Jamie Dimon doesn't give a shit about Bitcoin. He's got fish to fry that are 1,000 times the size. You've been long since 17.2. Way to go, bro. Good for you. Hell yeah. Yesterday short, today long, lol. That's trading, you dumb fuck. Oh, yesterday he was in a trade and now he's in a different trade. You fucking idiot. Everyone point and laugh at this Pavel dumbass. He was in a trade yesterday, and now he's in a different trade today. Oh. I missed you guys. I'm telling you, when the CF Army is back after hibernation vacation, you don't want to, you poke your head out the wrong side of your keister, it's going to get hammed out. Let's go, baby. 21206. Let's go. David Hay was in a trade yesterday and today. On David Hay today. He's in a trade today. That's good. Pencil next to this. You guys are funny. Sounds like a hodler. Yes. Yes. That's exact. Oh, man. Pavel got called out. You sound like a hodler, bro. Ooh. That's funny. So you're saying you're liking this 4 hour, eh there, Junior? Word. I'll tell you what. I'm not saying it's good. It's what's gonna happen, but if for some reason it wasn't done yet and Bitcoin had it, this was the beginning of another increased money flow round, pump action, tough acting, tenactin, that shit would be crazy, man. And you know, time goes by. Listen, time has gone by, and we are so glued and manipulated by our environment. You know, at 23,000, 20,000 was hell and the devil. At 19,000, 16,000, that there if we went to 60,000 there would be no hope, and if we went back up to 19,000, praise be to the Lord. Praise be to the Lord. And unbeknownst to you, we've begat praise be to the Lord. We are praising the Lord today. Yo, let's go. Come on, baby, come on. Yes, please, yes. Yes, please. And thank you. When 60K, that shit's never gonna happen. Let's fucking go some more. We're not asking for much. We're not asking for much. We are not asking for much. Ah. What's up, Tommy? Is everybody long right now? Billy, Tommy, Mountain Climber, Pablo! Yo, Pablo! Fuck, I was muted. Are you in Dubai, bro? Yo, let's go. This is what we want to see. For you and me. Mr. Please. Mr. Please. Bro, why I ain't sharing you what I pay in taxes, bro. I pay way too damn much. Ugh. Way more than any single motherfucker should. That's for damn sure. Damp it, boy. Damp it. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Let's do our little stick figure drawing of where this is supposed to go. It's on a small time frame. It's only a 10-minute. This is on a small time frame. Hang on. Yeah. This little noggin and shoulders is on a small time frame. Huh. Could say this one, which that put us at right where we are now. Or if we want to be a little extra hopeful, it would be 21.4. Yeah. And our spider line is at 21.4 and change. That's funny, Crank. Much prettier. Pump this bitch up. Let's call Michael Saylor and watch that little video of him prancing with that one guy with the weird glasses, Max Kaiser. We're gonna hug each other on stage. Yeah. Go Bitcoin. Weirdos. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I'm hating on Michael Saylor. I'm sorry. He is cool. You know what I really love about Michael Saylor is how he says, "I'm gonna charmingly go after you." Like when people are like blasting him, calling him a scammer for telling people to mortgage his house, he's like, "Oh, oh, have you ever been to a steel factory? I'm gonna charmingly go after you and have sex with your wife and probably do some other very terrible things." Well, he's dead. That's what Bill Gates said. Well, he's dead. That one interview, that lady. She's like, and what do you have to say about Jeffrey Epstein and, you knowing him? Oh, well, he's dead. So, it doesn't matter anymore. $21.3 officially. We are officially 21.3, folks. What did I tell you? Remain calm. We had to remain calm in the red. There was flopping and groping going around in the chat. It's totally normal. And now we're in the steel factory with focused energy. You see, it takes focused energy. And with the steel factory, you take focused energy. If you've never been to a steel factory, you ought to go. Bitcoin. You can't beat Bitcoin. You can't sleep Bitcoin. You can't cheat Bitcoin. Holy shit, we're at 9. Oh my gosh, if we close the trade, we were sitting right at that 900K, folks. What the fuck do I do, man? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? He's dead. Charlie. He's dead, Charlie. 1 million is the goal here. Hee hee hee. This is the last wave that had this same, that where the money flow came up this high. You know, this had a dip, it didn't go under. Charlie, another 20%. And then when it was time for its demise and the divergence where we beckoned the bells and ran through the streets and you people laughed at me. You laughed at me. It still had time. What about before? Oh man, this is the Mount Everest shit. We're getting into the old school Mount Everest fucking theory. In fact, my Mount Everest theory kind of failed actually on this one. I believe that when we had a wave this high, we always had 3 or 4 minimum, but this time we only had 1. And I guess my theory was wrong. The Mount Everest theory was wrong. Or it's just not every time. Oh my God, let's go, baby. Let's go. We only need $500 more to the upside, and I'll be at $1 million from 100 grand. All right, it's getting a little gay. It was getting a little too close to the gay side over there. Anywho, let's see. Whoopsie daisy, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, here. It's fucking. Fuck. Alright, whatever. These damn numbers keep changing. Times. Whatever. Let's take a look at what we're looking at here. Let's go back to, damn, this momentum wave just, the gates are open. The RSI switched. The RSI's even changed. Color change, man. The triggers to the anchor, the money flow. I'll be interested to see what that's looking like on the 30-minute. Interesting. Look, it's a little guy throwing his hands in the air celebrating. Here's his head. And here's his hands. And he's going, yay. He's going, hallelujah. For now. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. We're at 912,000. Uh, 22K, no, 21,700 and like 60 or 21,700 something. I'm pretty sure gets me to $1 million. It is not far away. We just need basically what happened to happen again. We just need this exact measurement to repeat itself again upwards. And then after that, I'm gonna retire and I'm done, and that's probably it for my YouTube career. Yeah, after that, I'm gonna dump on everybody. I'm gonna give you guys my farewell dump. We're kind of in a little too much euphoria over here. We gotta start flopping and groping a little bit here. Now it's time to flop and grope. We see at the beginning of a red candle, and now we have to question ourselves if this is the correct thing to do. Do I take the money and run? Do I take the money and run? We should have taken the money and ran. Man, what a beautiful, jagged little hook right there, man. It just hook fished up and just, man, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, that's about it here, folks. Boy, I tell you, how about that adrenaline dump? We are feeling the adrenaline dump off. Whoops. I don't even know what day it is today. I gotta change the song. Excuse me. Days of today here. Friday? Oh my gosh, it's Friday. Shit. Man, this week. Man, the weeks go by fast, at least for me. When every day of your life is a vacation, time just keeps on going. The Super Bowl's coming up here soon. Pretty much always be betting the unders on them Super Bowls. What? What can I do for you, little boy? I fed you. I fed you. You just want some love, huh? You just want some love. How's Ethereum doing? Looking good. How about some of these shit coins? How's Shitter Cardano looking? Oh, big yawn, big yawn. Oh, Mr. Floofy. My poofy, floofy. Did you sleep with your daddy the other night? I went to bed and you were at my feet, and I woke up and you were still there. You never stay in the bed with me. You never stay in the bed with me, sir. Did you miss me? Yeah, you miss me. Did you miss me? Yeah, you missed me. You missed me. Alright, get out of here. No. What? Give him some treats. How we looking? Good, baby. We're back. We are back. And we are in the sack. Jack, what do you got to say about that? Okay. All right, let's take a look. See, we got 1900. Haven't cracked the 2000 mark yet today. BitGet. Links in the description. Right on, climber. Right on, bro. Let's go. We need to push on through. We ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. We don't want to sell. We don't want to sell. We want this to keep going. Keep going. I want to hold this forever. It feels so good. Normal chart, because that's where the actual crypto is. But you can do it on both. You can do it on both. I've heard people prefer both for different reasons. Thanks, Michael Osborne. I appreciate that. What do I think about Robert Kiyosaki? Is he the one that wrote the Rich Dad, Poor Dad book? I'll tell you, I got nothing bad to say about that man, but I tried reading that book and it was the same 3 paragraphs over and over and over again. It was the same, I mean the same paragraph for just endless amounts of pages. It was literally, I could have told you Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad book on one piece of paper. Did anyone else read that book? Does anyone else agree with me, or? Yeah, bro, my quote-unquote indicator is everything I use, everything I make, everything I do, everything I choose. MarketCipherTrading.com in the description. On sale now if you want to be like your boy. You don't have to have a stick up your butt in order to trade. Keep it simple. Follow the money. A crypto face biography? Probably never. Or when I'm an old man. Before Market Cipher, I used Market Cipher and all my creations scattered everywhere. Market Cipher was just, I just needed all my indicators to fit into 3 indicators so I could use it on the free trading view. It's great to hear burnt out. Hell yeah. Inward curve VWAPage here. What? Dang. What? It's doing this shit. Is it because it's low? Oh. It's changing things up again. Oh no, the charts. As far as where the spider line is. Let's go, baby. Come on, bust on through. $400 more to go. It's so close. My money flow is not on any indicator in trading view, that's for damn sure. But there's a the Market Cipher money flow is my money flow, and it has been said to be the best damn money flow, some of the most admirable, trusted people in the trading space, according to them. Their own words, not mine. That I have created the best money flow ever. How many days was this challenge? I believe we started December 1st, and it's basically like at the beginning of December, I'm pretty sure. So it's been about 50 days. I tweeted at Peter Schiff. See if I get a response on his thoughts on gold. I wonder if he actually thinks gold would actually be able to break the impossible 2000 that it won't ever break unless some major shit hits the fan. I wanted to get his opinion on that. Tron done the same as Bitcoin, but overall better since the top than Bitcoin. I don't remember the exact time, date, and price I closed it, but it was like a 20K loss. Took a 20K loss in the short. I don't know when. I don't know when exactly. I don't remember. It wasn't that much behind though. Wasn't that. Yeah, PHEMEX has the gold shit on there. Yep. I haven't used that, but figured if it takes a little temporary dip. You know, you see this was 1, 2, 3 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 30 minutes to an hour if it keeps going. It kind of looks like it just may. The 12-hour, not the most bullish outward curve VWAP. It has a little hitch, almost looks like an inside hitch after that, but it is coming up. The money flow is thick. I don't know, folks. We just might be able to clear this 21.5 range. It is possible. Certainly possible. Man, it's crazy. Just hours ago, it was down here. How much has it gone up here? Almost 2%. We are currently up $75,000 unrealized, which, if closed, would put us at just over 900,000. I just said it. You must have just joined us. We started in in the beginning of December, so it's been about 50 days, starting at 100,000 to 900K. Huh, shitster. Huh. And the way things are looking, we're gonna be able to do it in under 60 days. Huh. 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 We're probably going to call it a stream here soon. And Sid, come on. Yeah, we're probably going to call it a stream. Oh, Sid stir. But it's been good. What do I want to do here? What do we want to do? What do we want to do? I'm gonna go lay down and watch TV and yeah, I'd say it's got at least 20 or 30 minutes, you know, of whatever, some of this bullshit before, and if it decides to come back up, but it should. The money flow's just coming up. We got heavy momentum up here. So, man, the 1 hour, these at the trigger waves to the anchor waves looking beautiful. Let it breathe. But yeah, I'm not watching any shows. I'm just gonna lay down with Sid, and me and him are gonna maybe put on a movie, and we'll maybe we'll see how things are going later. Other than that, thank you guys for being here. Love y'all. We are so close to pulling this shit off. And man, for years people asked me, can you do $1,000 challenge? It's 100 to 1,000, or 1,000 to 10,000, 100 to 10,000 challenge. You know, and that's like too small of money. Like that's too small of money. But 100,000 to 1,000,000 is the same. From 1,000 to 10,000, or 100 to 1,000, or $1 to $10. Charlie. And if you want to be a boss, you gotta pay the cost. We are the #1 indicator trading system in crypto, hands down. That's no question. No one has anywhere close to the members or sales that we've had in crypto. No one comes even close. And we're definitely up there in trading. So MarketCypherTrading.com. Love y'all and peace.